Alright, good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Happy Penguin, and tonight meron tayong game for round 3 ng Pinoy StarCraft Tournament 2026. Pinoy StarCraft quote-unquote Ladderista Tournament 2026, the first ever of its kind, at least sa taon na to, or ever. So I'm not sure if may other tournaments ongoing, maybe may mga low-key tournaments out there ongoing sa Philippines, pero based on our knowledge, based on the communities we've been together, kasama ng mga players nandito right now. Yeah, this is the only tournament sa Pinoy right now. So yeah, welcome all viewers, welcome everyone, welcome all StarCraft enthusiasts, lahat ng Pinoy all over the world, wherever you are. Thank you so much for supporting this event. Thank you for tuning in. So yeah, we're just waiting for the players to get ready, and then start na tayo ng best of 3 natin between Bayagster and Extinct. So if you're watching this on Twitch live right now, paramdam naman kayo, mag-chat kayo dyan sa Twitch, type lang kayo anything. Yeah, okay, so Gina si Extinct, Gina si Bayagster. Let's go with game number 1. Alright, so spawning here on the upper right side of the map, we have our very beautifully skinned Zerg, pre-ordered skin, our yellow Zerg player, Extinct. And on the upper left side of the map, our magenta Terran player, Bayagster. Just so you know, parehas tong mga players na nakikita niyo right now, mga competitive to. They've had their fair share in one of the top competitions ng StarCraft all over the world. Combination of Brood War and SC2. Hindi ako familiar masyado like how long they've been lurking sa mga SC2 or sa Brood War, but I do know na as of today, lalo na to si Bayagster, he's still actively competing. In fact, right now may iba pa siyang tournaments na sinalihan, plus may mga show matches pa na he's also participating in. So yeah, ganun ka-active si Bayagster. Meanwhile, si Extinct naman, when given the opportunity, of course, when life gets in the way, syempre may mga work and all, kapag may chance siya mag-participate sa mga show match or tournament, he does that, no? Na sumasali talaga siya. And sabi na chat natin si King Deo, good luck, have fun. Yan, shout out to you. Okay, So, ang map natin, Polypoid 1.75, one of the oldest maps na ina-update lang siya, no? Ang pinaka most recent version is yung 1.75. And yeah, okay, interesting opener by Youngster. Hindi siya nag-wall off. But Extinct, okay, this could throw Extinct off guard a little bit if hindi nga kita yung SCV na dumaan from Youngster. So this may make Extinct think na wala dito yung Terran. But of course, nandito lang yung overlord na kabasa dito just in case hindi nag-wall off yung Terran. Meanwhile, Youngster seeing the base of Extinct immediately with that SCV. And oops, ito. Okay, Zerglings have been built to kill the SCV scout, and the second hatchery is going up, almost halfway done. Yeah, so hindi nag-wall off si Youngster. Pero mukhang he's going for Turax Academy pa rin. Except hindi lang siya nag-wall. Maybe instead of a wall, he would rather go for a bunker. Pwede na naman yan. Hindi naman kailangan talaga mag-wall all the time. Pero when you do wall, ang reason talaga is you want to save resources on building bunker. Pero let's see if Youngster will be building a bunker here. It seems so. No, it's most likely. Yeah, okay, so lair being upgraded. So hindi siya some kind of Hydra all-in na ginagawa ng mga ibang Zerg players, no? Lalo sa mga low MMR. Lalo sa rank D, E, ginagawa yun kasi nagla-ladder din ako minsan. Minsan may mga Zerg nagbangon. And, okay, Extinct catches this command center being built with 2 Zerglings, pero those 2 Zerglings will be pushed back by Youngster. Yeah, so mga hindi nakakilala kay Youngster, he's actually a Protoss main. Rank B Protoss, one of the best in the Philippines, or baka siya ngayon the best currently sa Philippines. Meanwhile, si Extinct naman playing main race Zerg. And nakakalaro ko si Extinct from time to time, and he's really good, I could say. Very standard build, very solid. Lalo yung Muta, very impressive Muta micro. And okay, group of Zerglings trying to catch this SCV, pero yun na, mga Marines just move forward, and nako, nagkasalubong sila Zergling. More links are being created. I don't know if this is a good move from Youngster. Youngster just moving back. Napakadaming links, and all the Marines got taken down. Yikes, 7 Zerglings on the way to the base of Youngster currently. Dalawa lang ang Marines si Youngster still producing from those 2 barracks. I don't know if it was a good move. I don't know if Youngster can hold, pero mukha naman. Let's see. Okay, now Extinct. Okay, kaka-upgrade lang ng speed, as you can see, movement, and bunker is built. Pinasok na yung Marines. Okay, good block, good SCV block by Youngster. Hindi nakaharas pa siya Extinct, pero maybe Extinct will attempt a run by later on. Maybe, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya. And now, okay, we see the spire going up for Extinct. Meanwhile kay Youngster, just barracks, still no factory. No engineering bay yata. Ito meron pala. Meron pa engineering bay, what am I saying? Okay, so those 5 links will be sent back home. There's Overlord here to grant the vision in case mag-move out yung Terran. And depots being built here to help with the wall off dito sa natural ni Youngster. Okay, wala pa rin factory, no? Inaantay ko eh. Pero okay lang naman kasi normally 6:30 yung timing ng factory. Okay, Academy is being built right now. Pero yung Spire is about to finish, and nako po, Mutalisks are morphing, pero yun na, nag-start na nag-build ng turrets si Youngster. Meanwhile, Extinct is going to get a third. It's the lower right side of the map dito sa natural ng lower right base. 5 Zerglings nakaabang lang dito in case of any movement from Terran. Pero yeah, Youngster need to start adding more turrets, and may 3 turrets na currently sa natural. Yeah, okay. Yun nga lang, wala pang stim or range. That could be an issue for Youngster. Just Marines, no medics as of yet. And there are 4 Mutalisks right now nag-move out papunta kay Bayagster. Look at that, no? Na-anticipate na niya eh, kaya nakaabang na yung mga Marines dito sa turret. Okay, let's see. Ano, hindi ko alam kung ni-research niya. Could it be stim? Could it be range? And now still 2 barracks. I think Bayagster should add 1 or 2 more barracks here. Okay, look at that. Okay. That Mutamic is sniping 1. 2 Marines already falling to the hands of these Mutalisks. Oh, nakaligtas yung SCV kasi nga 6 lang yung Mutalisk. You need 7 Mutalisks to be able to one-shot an SCV. Nakaligtas yung isang SCV right there. Nakita niyo yung pulado. Okay, now finally, 5 barracks being built by Bayagster. Still no factory. It's already 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, meanwhile, kay Extinct, nothing crazy so far, just Mutalisks. Massing up those Mutalisks, already 10 Mutalisks. Okay, he got 1 SCV. Let's see kung ilan makukuha niya. Two SCVs already fell from these Mutalisks. Look at that. Okay, may isang napitas na Marine. This turret is just red. So, kailangan ma-repair to. Yikes, okay. Now, 11 Mutalisks. So, malamang na isa dyan control Overlord para mag-stack yung Mutalisks. Alright, so itong technique na to na pinagdidikit yung mga Marines, yung tatawag na Marine Ball, it's said to be more effective in dealing with Mutalisk. Mas better siya kaysa kalat. And now this Mutalisk will try to take down this refinery to lessen the gas collection ni Bayagster. And now looks like Bayagster is going to attempt a move out. Okay. Yan, ngayon ang Mutalisk are being pulled back trying to kill yung mga Marines trying to go out the map while this small group will head towards the lower right. Going to intercept. May tripwire na Zergling, so these Mutalisks will go directly to the army. Meanwhile, this other small group of Marines, let's see saan sila pupunta. Are they going to reinforce this army ni Bayagster papunta sa lower right? And yun na nga, hinuhuli ang Mutalisk. 1 falls down, 2, 3 Mutalisks fall, 4, grabbing control, 5 Mutalisks fall from the hands of these Marines. Now currently 5 minutes pero marami pang Mutalisk si Bayagster. And okay, reinforcing Marines will get caught by some of the Zerglings. And yeah, looks like this Marine medic army will get killed. Yeah, naubos. Medics na lang tira. It's a good job for Extinctor for preventing Bayagster from being able to target down the lower right base ni Extinct. Now, yan na, may double star part na si Bayagster and is getting that Science Facility while still getting those upgrades currently. Meron ng +1 weapons si Bayagster and Bayagster is going to attempt another move out, kaya kaso puro Marines lang to, walang medic. Where is he heading? Okay, now we see a high risk then for Extinct and meron na yung Queen's Nest. So and the Hive is already being upgraded. Okay. So we could be seeing some lurkers very very soon. Maybe Bayagster is trying to hit a timing na paunahan yung lurkers. A bunch of Mutalisks just fall. Okay, walang medic, no? Kaya medyo mas madaling patayin yung Marines. Pero oh, grabe. Extinct just lost those 2 Mutalisks right there. Medyo hindi lang napansin ni Extinct. And more Marine medics are heading towards the lower right, going to try to exterminate this lower right base. And as cannabis being used, kita na may lurker. So isang lurker pa lang currently. Let's see if Bayagster will push through this. Meanwhile, meron na siyang vessels being built. And Extinct. Yeah, still on lurker tech. And now, scans being used, going to target down those lurkers. Kaso may mga Mutalists nagsabay. So this Marine medic army will just die. So another good hold by Extinct. Ito talaga yung tricky sa TVZ, you know? Ang hirap talaga i-bust ng Zerg. Lalo man pag may lurkers and lalo pag may Dark Swarm. And now, third base being taken by Bayagster. Kinda earlier lang by a few seconds. Normally, 12 minutes and so. Pero okay lang naman. Yeah. Now we have vessels. And may research, this is probably irradiate or energy. Okay, more lurkers being morphed. And yan na nga, nag-umpisa na ng Defiler Mount si Extinct. Okay, now irradiate has been cast, targeting that one Mutalisk. Now 5 Mutalisks remain, while mga lurkers heading back towards the base to defend. And yan na, may dropship. Okay, so 2 dropships in Bayagster's arsenal. Let's see kung saan pupunta. Will they go towards the main, or go to the third, or to the natural? Ano ang diskarte ni Bayagster dito? And can Extinct actually spot this? Meron siyang Overlord here. Wala sa vision ni Bayagster yung Overlord. Fourth base being taken by Extinct on the lower right. Yung main base naman. So pag umabot sa 4 base gas mining na yung Zerg, it's going to be tricky, and these Zerglings will spot the transfer ng SCVs, and makikita rin ni Extinct ang dropship going towards his base. Naku po, may mga Mutalisks na kabang. They will just kill this dropship right here. And wala man lang na drop. Just 3 Marines falling, and the dropship falls. So, sakto yung pag-akit ni Extinct dito ng Zerglings. Kaya tuloy nakapwesto yung Mutalisk in time to prevent the dropship from doing damage. Okay, another dropship pala nandito, no? Ngayon ko napansin. Hindi ko nakita to right away. But there's a lurker here. Okay. Okay, atras ang dropship. Okay, so ang kailangan lang gawin ni Extinct dito is actually to mass up gas and survive and get up to Ultralisk. And meanwhile, si Bayagster, medyo he's on a timer. He needs to really do damage sa Zerg, otherwise makaipon na enough gas, and once lobas na yung mga Ultralisk, it's going to be tricky to deal with. Okay, Bayagster still on 3 bases. Okay, now going up to 7 barracks. And upgrades wise, currently naka 2-2 na si Bayagster. Yung isang engineering bay hindi pa umiilaw. Okay, he's going for a move out with a few tanks. Still dropships are available. Let's see saan siya pupunta this time. Okay, a bunch of Mutalisks trying to roam the map to spot maybe any hidden base or any incoming attack. So ito yung vision ni Extinct right now. So wala siyang vision sa area na to. And now Defilers are out. Okay, bunch of Mutalisks, 5 piraso. Maybe going to try to do a bit of harassment sa base ni Bayagster. Scan has been used. Okay, dito. Ano yung scan? Okay, dito sa lower right side, the base ni Extinct, and Irradiate has been cast on the lurker. Okay, kita niya yung namumuna yung lurker. It's going to die. Yan na. Kasi nasa ng Defiler, so kailangan magdala ng Defiler dito yung Extinct and cast a Dark Swarm. Upside yung Mutalisk, no? Namatay lang. Kaya try defend to, kaso ilang piraso lang. Masyadong maraming Marines. Oo, may Defiler si Extinct kanina eh. Nakita natin sa taas. Hindi niya dinadala dito. Now Bears are trying to break through, and finally yan, Dark Storm has been cast. But yeah, tuloy-tuloy lang si Bayagster pag irradiate. Irradiate has been cast on the Defiler. That Defiler will go down soon. The tanks get taken down. And now this is going to be tricky to push into kasi these units will deal no damage sa mga units ni Extinct under the Dark Swarm. And a Scourge has been built. It's going to kill the vessel. Maliligtas kaya. And it doesn't get saved. So good job for Extinct for being able to kill that vessel right there. Wow, look at that. Okay. We have a nuke, guys. Nasa ng ghost. Okay, so mukhang gagamit ng nuke si Bayagster dito. I mean, I've seen a couple of players use nuke against Zerg. Tingnan natin paano may execute ni Bayagster to. At the same time, how would Extinct defend from the nuke? Up and Plague has been used kasi ilang piraso lang tinamaan, so not so good playing. Medyo nag-whiff and Vessel is going to radiate that Defiler again. So another scan has been used. Ito yung nakita ni Bayagster. And as you can see here, Ultralisk Cavern is already up. Kailangan gawin dito ni Extinct to really stall out and defend and survive. And once na yung mga Ultralisk, napakasakit na palagan. Okay, now fourth base being taken by Bayagster on the 9 o'clock location. Another scan has been used and yung skinan. Okay, scans the main. Kita na ni Bayagster ang Ultralisk tech, and dropships are going to be deployed. Kasi sakto mahuli ng, oy, hindi. All dropships survive, and yun na, may Ultralisk na. Kaso, hindi pa max yung upgrades ng Ultralisk, so medyo kaya pa palagal ng mga Marines. Look at that. Diba? Naka 3-2 na rin upgrade ng Marine. Yeah, so stories. Okay, kita rin ni Extinct na may nuclear silo dito. And now Ultralisk are being deployed to combat with the help of this Defiler. Napakulot ng mga Ultralisk na. Yeah, look at that Darkstorm just saving those Ultras from dying, plus narinig ako namatay na Vessel from the Scourge. Hindi ko lang alam saan. So, two clashes happening. One sa natural ni Extinct and yung isa near the other natural. Wait, saan ang ghost? Ayun. Oh no, the ghost got taken down. And lots of things are being trained or built by Extinct right now. And looks like Bayagster will try to go for an attack dito sa natural ni Extinct. Now, max upgrades ng Marine Medic ang mga infantry ni Bayagster. Yung Ultralisk hindi pa rin max yung armor. Okay, radiates are being cast no? So, yun. Okay, Bayagster's just slicing through this Zerg army ni Extinct. Meron pang few more Ultralisk, meron pang mga Lurker. And this small group of Zerglings will try to do counterattack kaso may army dito si Bayagster naghihintay. Yeah, more Ultralisk over here. And hindi pa rin nasagad yung upgrade ng armor. Kaya medyo hindi pa ganun kakount. And nuclear has been used. Saan yun? Saan? Kinasa nuclear. Okay, now these Ultralisk are going to attack 12 o'clock base. And yun na, may extra armor na. 4 armor na ang Ultralisks. So mas makunat-kunat na to. Make it harder to deal with. Okay, pero hold naman ni Bayagster itong base ito kaso this silo is being targeted down by its Zergling. Yeah, and it will be saved. Okay, more links being sent over here. Kaso mo ang hold naman to. Yeah, puro links na lang. Stalling habang wala pang gas si Extinct. I think yun ang ginagawa ni Extinct right now. Habang walang gas, just build something that would kind of distract the Terran. You know, Swarm has been used here. Kaso may mga Firebat, so it will help against units under Darkstorm kasi gumagana. Actually, the only Terran unit na nakadamage under Darkstorm is talaga yung Firebat. Yung Siege Rank, alam ko nakadamage din, pero parang may specific condition na hindi lang ako sure. Yeah, really looking dangerous for Bayagster right now. Marami siyang vessels here. Pwede yung gamitin isa sa mga Ultralisk. And you see that radiants are being cast on the Ultralisks. And this nuclear silo is very red. It will burn. Kailangan niya ma-repair kung gusto niya ma-save yung nuclear missile na nandito kung meron man. Yeah, grabe, no? So, ngayon, nasa defensive side si Bayagster while trying to rebuild. Extinct just relentlessly attacking. Nice. And the bunker falls. Opo, looks like this base sa 9 o'clock Team Bayagster will get taken down. Kailangan ng force ito to lift off. And hindi pa ni-lift off Team Bayagster. Yeah, Extinct is just all over the place trying to attack every single expansion. And meron si Bayagster. Ngayon, si Bayagster just running out of minerals. Dark Storm, very brutal, no? Walang magawa ang Marines. Irradiate lang talaga nakaka-damage. Look at that. And now, the 12 o'clock base looks like mapaka-force and lift off. This is really not looking good for Bayagster. Meanwhile, Extinct already has a 5th base here sa 3 o'clock and another base coming up in a 6 o'clock location. Wala nang pera si Bayagster. Look at that. Yeah, this looks like game over, the guys. Look at the supply. 60 supply versus 99 and right pang pera si Extinct. Yeah, this is looking like GG. Sabi ni Jake05, yan ba yung ayaw mo pa yung Storm and Ultra combo? Oo, sakit sa ulo laban. Kaya tinignan ko kung paano gagawin ni Bayagster dito eh. Yeah, but I don't know. Look at that. This is just GG eh. Extinct has half of the map. Ka-flood siya lang tuloy-tuloy. And GG. Right, so that's game number 1 in favor of Extinct. 1-0. Now we're heading towards game number 2. Let's see kung anong map yung pipiliin ni Bayagster kasi losers pick tayo. I'm gonna check on the chats namin. Ayun, walang laman doon ito sa Okay, chosen map is Knockout. Okay, again. So, update natin score currently. Ang score is 1-0. Ayan. 1-0 in favor of Extinct. So pag manalo si Extinct dito, panalo siya. If panalo si Bayagster, this is going to be game number 3. Okay, mukhang go na. Game number 2. On knockout between Extinct and Bayagster. Okay, so spawning here on the upper left side of the map, we have our off-race Terran player, Bayagster. And sa kabilang side of the map, the other corner, our pre-ordered skin, Zerg. Actually, parehas lang pre-ordered. Ito lang napapansin ko talaga sa Zerg. Extinct. And then, okay. So, yeah. Napakainit na laban, mga kapatid. And considering na off-race to ni Bayagster, still very, very, very solid Terran, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think dyan sa chat. Or if replay to sa YouTube na you're watching, isa dyan sa comments, let me know. And yeah, shout out to every reviewer out there, viewers watching right now. Thank you for supporting StarCraft Philippines and StarCraft in general. I know maraming ongoing tournaments. Meron actually sa ASL pa, meron din yung currently event sa Vietnam. Yung mga Vietnamese may pa-event din sila na StarCraft. And meron pa tayo, ito, our very own Pinoy StarCraft Ladurista Tournament 2026. So thank you for supporting each one of them. Or if mag-support man kayo ng isa, at least ito man lang. Bias tayo si Pinoy. But yeah, I encourage you to support then lahat ng mga StarCraft as much as you can. Okay, so dito sa knockout, yung special sa map na to is meron lubog na ground dito just outside of the natural. So this is low ground, meaning yung mga range units standing on this location have a chance to miss when attacking units on the higher ground, which is this one and this one. So that goes for every natural in this map. And yeah, looks like mapapaswerte sa scout dito si Bayagster. Going to first scout that base ni Extinct, plus na sa lubong pa niya ang isang drone. So magdo-double scout sana si Bayagster, kaso nakita niya yung direction where that drone came from. So he's suspected sa right side, and yun na nga, naka-jackpot si Bayagster. Tsaka niya scout. And now he sees the timing, ano yung technique Extinct right now. Kita niya yung timing ng extractor. So there's still yeah, okay, and also the Zerglings. So the SCV, he's going to try to keep it alive as much as he can to monitor yung movement or ano yung balak ni Extinct gawin. Will he go for Muta? Or minsan kasi may mga nag-Hydra all-in even in TVZ or Fast Lurker. So anything can happen. And now a bunch of links are being sent to the other side of the map. And nakita to ni Bayagster, kaya look at that, naka-prepare na siya with an SCV here and 2 Marines. It's okay, there may 3 Marine, 3 Zerglings, kaya to ng 3 Marines. So 5 Zergling na to, guys. Okay, Extinct's moving forward. Going to surround those Marines. Naku po. And oh no! The Marine just got taken down. Wala lang Marine si Bayagster, so SCVs tuloy are forced to do some emergency saving ng command center na binibuild ni Extinct. Okay, 1 Marine is up. And yeah, okay, that's scary, no? If you play Terran and get an experience, really, really scary experience. But that was just, you know, a distraction from Extinct para ma-build up, para ma-delay yung Terran while he texts to Lair and gets those Mutalisks. And nag-build na ng bunker. See, Bayagster here. May 2 Marines, so mo-hold na naman to. Okay, 3 Marines, 3 links. Kaso, yan, still more links being sent towards Bayagster's base. Kaso matatapos na yung bunker. So I don't think Extinct can actually push through this. Ayaw, sabi ni Ibax, ganda ng skin ng Terran. Yeah, mga pre-ordered. Hindi natin makuha yan. Sabi ni Janus, shoutout. Shoutout daw kay ERW. Okay, Janus, shoutout din sa'yo. Okay, Lair is done, and now yan na yung Spire. Meanwhile, on Bayagster's side, still no academy, still no engineering bay. Just a single barracks. Okay, and engineering bay has been started just now. Yan, uy, nakalusot ang SCV ni Bayagster. Kita niya, okay, Lair Tech. Yan na, once matapos itong Spire, yun na, biglang mute. Oh! Patay ang SCV. Okay, and look at that, Mutalist, instant Mutalist after pagbuo ng Spire. Third base being taken by Extinct on the lower right. Ito sa natural ulit. Okay, and now Bayagster should start adding those turrets na. Uy, fast. Okay. Nag 1-1-1 si Bayagster. Pero nag-turret na siya. Okay, so 2 Mutalisks currently out net. 1, 2, 3, 4 Mutalisks out for Extinct. Mukhang umabot naman yung turrets si Bayagster. Let's see how he would try to hold this. Now, Extinct is trying to find an angle kung saan siya makaka-attack. And kita niya lahat ng tech ni Bayagster. So, 1 Mutalist is false. Maryland defense right now si Bayagster, just a bunch of Marines. No medics kasi nga walang academy, pero he's building an armory, so this is looking like a faster Valkyrie. But I won't say faster, pero alam mo yun, Valkyrie tech na lang. Kasi I think there's a way to land the Valkyrie faster than that, but yeah. 1-1-1 into Valkyrie tech. Into additional racks. Okay. So mag-Valkyrie siya and then still going for bio. Kasi weird naman, no? Like wala naman siguro nagbe-mech tapos Valkyrie. Parang hirap lang pagkasya ng resources doon. Okay, so those Mutalisks get pushed back. Ilang piraso na? 11 Mutalisks. Sakto isang control group combined with an Overlord. Yeah, so those turrets just trying to help with the defense, and 2 Mutalisks fall with the help of the Valkyrie and the turrets combined. So now we have the Hydralisk then for Extinct, so definitely Lurker na yan. Lurker being researched. Well, meanwhile, this base on the lower right, pag nakita ni Bayagster, this is defenseless, kaya lang there's still no opportunity for Bayagster to attack. Currently, nag-tech up pa siya, nag-build up pa siya ng army. Okay, sabi ni Jake, BlizzCon 2026 baka mag-release daw ng glowing skins. Uy, really? Uy, sige, balitaan mo ako pag meron para kung if ever makakuha tayo. So, thank you for that information, Jake. Okay, so medyo passive rate ang state right now, but there's just macroing up. Scan has been used. Kita na ni Bayagster na may third dito and walang defense. So I believe in a while doon pupunta si Bayagster, and of course if nakita ni Extinct yung scan, he will know na Bayagster is on his way there, and nasakto ang timing. Extinct going for the attack here. Oh! Nakita na ilang Valkyrie ito kanina, hindi ko napansin. But I did hear some Scourge die. Not sure if may napitas na isang Valkyrie. Parang wala naman yata, no? Yeah, 3 Vats against Mutas. Naku po, very deadly. Now Extinct is forced to add some Sunkens to defend this base sa lower right with the help of some Scourge and some Mutalisks. So wala pang mga lurker dito. So that means ang kailangan lang worry ng mga Marines ay yung Sunkens and yung Mutalisks. And yung Steam para umabot dito sa base. And look at that, Bayagster just targeting down those Sunkens. May mga Scourge, Sancton Morph, killing one Valkyrie. And the Mutalisks get wiped out. Naku po, looks like this third base will fall down. Kaso sakto yung morph ng lurker. Meron bang scan available? Si Bayagster, okay, yan, may isang scan. Now Bayagster is going to move towards the lurker, going to kill it. Ayan, drones are being pulled to help with the defense. And all the Valkyries fall. Sabi, namatay lahat ng Valkyrie, pero buhay pa ang Marine Medic ni Bayagster dito. He has the potential to actually take down this base. Lurklings have been morphed, castle, they will just die to the hands of these Marines and Medics. And now the drones are being sent to the other base ni Extinct para maligtas, and now Bayagster would try to clear this third base ni Extinct once and for all. Now, Extinct is going for a counterattack with a bunch of Zerglings and a lurker. Mapapansin kayo ito ni Bayagster right on time. Yeah, looks like this third base of Extinct will fall, which is not looking good for Extinct. This is really, really bad for a Zerg player to lose yung third base. Now we see the vessel. Naku po, bunch of lurkers just clearing those Marines. Okay, inatas si Bayagster, so may naligtas siyang a few Marines. Lurkers moving forward, kaso there's already a vessel. So lurkers just trying to be annoying here, trying to destroy the depots para ma-supply block si Bayagster. Sending more reinforcements, more Hydras, Zerglings, everything that Extinct can. Meanwhile, may inaatake na pala ni Bayagster ditong natural Extinct. This is not looking good for Extinct right now. Lahat ng drones na and lurker just morph. Buburo na ito and forced to evacuate ang mga drones si Extinct, kaso si Bayagster hindi niya nakita itong lurker. Okay, inatras siya konti, only 2 Marines survive. Looks like Extinct will be able to hold this natural base. Meanwhile, Bayagster is being semi-contained by these 2 lurkers. Wala pa yatang irradiate, parang wala yata akong nakita kanina na nakast. And now dropships have been built, so magkasend dito sa Bayagster, maybe going towards the main, going for the throat kaya si Bayagster. But this contain is doing a good job na hindi basta-basta makaroam palabas si Bayagster. Look at that, all units nakarally na dito sa natural ni Bayagster. Anytime baka gustuhin ni Extinct pasukin, siguro naghihintay lang siya ng Dark Swarm. Wala pang Dark Swarm as of yet. Scan has been used targeting the main, and kita niya bakati kasi there's a bunch of Scourge waiting here. And dinap niya din sa safe, and there's already a Defiler out. The dropship falls, and buti ka kill yung Defiler. Oh, what a chaotic game. Extinct just containing while Bayagster going for attack dito sa base ni Extinct. Bayagster will aim to kill some drones as much as he can. So Zerglings have been morphed. I think masyado maraming Zergling, hindi kaya ng mga Marines ito. Walang medic na kasama to support. But yeah, we might see right now na trapped si Bayagster, but this is really not looking good for Extinct. 2 base cannot sustain a lot of gas needed ng Zerg to win this game. So kailangan mag-take ng gas another base ni Extinct very very soon. At the same time, kailangan niya i-balance na hindi siya basta-basta mag-boost ng economy kasi isa-sacrifice yung army in exchange for getting more hatcheries down, getting more drones down. Irradiates are being cast on the Defiler and Lurker. The Dark Storm inunti move forward para malapit ang units. And wala pang fireback currently si Bayagster, so wala siya choice. Kailangan niya atras yung mga Marines. He has no choice but to suck up the damage na ginagawa ng Lurker. Only Irradiates can actually kill these Lurkers right now. So forced to lift off si Bayagster. Kasi there's this small group here nakaabang sa outside ng Natural Extinct to intercept any reinforcements from the Zerg. Yeah, what a game, what a game. Not sure sino kaya mananalo dito, honestly. Pero Bayagster is ahead in supply. But there's a bunch of lurkers here. And ako, mukhang i-retreat ni Bayagster to. Yeah, so hard to deal with lurkers. Naghihintay siguro siya ng another round of Irradiate. And Irradiate has been used. So there will be 4 more lurkers waiting. Meanwhile, Extinct was able to push back this small group ng Marine Medic ni Bayagster sa labas natural niya. And okay, a drop. Drop actually happened. And buti nakita natin. So, drop happened kaso may mga lurkers na kaintay. Hindi ma-target ni Bayagster. Very well placed lurker si Extinct, no, behind this evolution chamber para hindi basta-basta ma-target. Grabe now, Bayagster just mining on one base. Mining on one base kasi hinaharas yung Extinct. Meanwhile, Bayagster also harassing Extinct's base. Extinct finally taking that ninja base on their lower left side. And may tank na kaso yun, swarms just moving forward. Ang hirap i-deal, no? Ito yung nakakatakot sa Zerg kapag yung mga Dark Swarm, mga Defiler nag-move forward papunta sa base ng Terran. Napakahirap i-deal. Look at that, though. Nothing can kill units under Dark Swarm. Walang Terran unit is capable of doing that. Kailangan kasi like sa Protoss, kailangan melee or mga storms, you have that. Pero dito, you need firebats, yun lang talaga, or irradiates to kill units under Dark Swarm. So may pa rin small group ng units dito si Bayagster sa base ni Extinct. But wala silang masyado magawa because there are lurkers roaming. Yeah, marami pang pera si Bayagster, marami pang supply. Oh, okay. Scourge, bunti ka nang mapitas yung mga vessel kaso hindi na target. And mukhang wala na Dark Storm. This is an opportunity for Bayagster to actually fight off these lurkers. Ayan, mukhang makiklear ni Bayagster itong lurkers. Meanwhile, Extinct is now setting up yung third base dun sa lower left. So still, si Extinct hindi rin siya free kasi inside the base na mismo, may mga peste. May mga pesting marine. So hindi rin libre si Extinct. So, both players just dealing with pests on their side of the map. Grabing laro to. Not sure if Bayagster has seen this ninja base, the Extinct, and he will be sad if nakita niya bigla mag-populate to base ito. Okay, now Bayagster finally resettling to take his natural, rebuilding those bunkers. Pero wala siyang vessels. Okay, finally Extinct trying to clear this. Mag-pest control rin si Extinct sa base niya. Going to clear this Marine Medic with these lurkers. Yeah, look at that. No, unburrow, then just repositioning. All of that happening while they are macroing up. Yeah, grabe talaga yung skills ng mga players we're witnessing right now. I'm very, very happy to be casting this game for you guys. Okay, Nidus Canal being built. So, hindi ganun kahirap mag-transport ng units tuloy because of the Nidus Canal. Extinct could easily reinforce units from this side of the base. Okay, dito. Ay, nasa ng Nidus? Hindi. Kasi dito siya nag-build pala ng Nidus. And, i-connect pa lang niya somewhere. It could be somewhere here or in the main. Okay, now third base being taken by Bayagster. And he gets the spot at Overlord. Yeah, konti lang pala Overlord the Extinct, no? So, ini-radiate pa. So, that's gonna actually be painful for Extinct kasi masusupply block siya. Look at that. 59 lang yung maximum population na. As of now, kailangan niya mag-rebuild ng Overlord. Hey, well, this area is just vulnerable. Walang idea si Bayagster sa ninja base ni Extinct. Ano lang fingers crossed na dito si Extinct for sure, hoping hindi makita tong base na to. Okay, Nidus Canal dito sa natural ni Extinct nilagay. Okay, this small annoying group of Marine Medic trying to do some damage again dito. Oh, targeting the Overlord this time. Gusto talaga yung supply block and mukhang masusupply block kanya si Extinct. Look at that, wala na Overlord speed. So, this Marine, yeah, look at that, supply block na si Extinct. So that will still be annoying. So that will really hurt Extinct kasi kailangan niya mag-rebuild ng Overlords. Hindi siya basta-basta makakalabas ng units or additional drones. Okay, so this base has been spotted. Dropship pero may swarm nakita agapan ni Extinct and the irradiate has been cast on the Defiler. Okay, so dito nag-drop si Bayagster with the support of lots of vessels here. The Defiler falls from the irradiate and tuloy-tuloy lang cast ng irradiate dito ni Bayagster. Kaya problema lang dito, walang medic kasama yung Marines. Bayagster, okay, mag-eraser. Bayagster going for the eraser build, going to delete all these drones in this area. And mukhang hindi na salba ni Extinct. Only 2 bases lang mining for Extinct right now. Not really good. Bunch of Scourge, 1 vessel falls, kaso that's not really enough. Ang dami pang vessels dito ni Bayagster. Now he's trying to unload more marines. Wala lang medic to support. The Berglings will just catch them. So all the marines have been cleared. Uwi na lang to dropship, prepare, reload. And now, for another move out by Bayagster. Currently, 2 upgrades yung kanyang infantry. Yeah, they have to si Extinct dito. Yeah, not looking good for Extinct. And yung biggest factor talaga dyan is being able to eliminate in third base dito. Yun talaga yung biggest factor kaya umabot sa ganitong state. If nagkataon na defend ni Extinct yun, maybe hindi ganito yung laban. Maybe biglang mas maigi or rather mas maaga ang panalo ni Extinct dito. No other defense here, just some lurkers and some Sunkens. Meron Defiler with a swarm. Okay, maybe that can buy some time. So hindi makapasok si Bayagster kasi mamatay lang sila sa lurker. While another group here is going to attack the lower left side of the map. So ngayon, Extinct has to juggle units back and forth through the Nidus from the natural and dito sa side na to. And GG has been called. Amazing game. Wow. Now the score is 1-1. Whew. Grabe. Okay. Ayos ba guys? So update lang natin score. Okay. What a game. So wait lang tayo ng next map. I'll just be getting water really quick, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, here we are with game number 3. between Bayagster and Extinct. It's the final game for the evening. It's a best of 3 na to. Let's see who takes home the crown for this night. Is it going to be Bayagster or Extinct? Now spawning here on the top side of the map, we have our magenta Terran player Bayagster. And spawning here on the lower left side of the map, we have our Zerg player Extinct. So this map is Neo Sylphid. It's a 3-player map. And honestly, hindi ko kabisado yung map na to. But yeah. So not sure how the meta goes dito sa TVZ. Pero one thing is, merong high ground area over here sa third. Na ang knowledge ko usually sa TVP kasi I play TVP or PVT mostly. So itong area na to, kung TVP, no, this area mahilig siyang pwestohan ng Terran, ng mga siege tank, and it's hard for Protoss to deal. So yun, I'm not sure kung anong diskarte ng Terrans sa map na to. But what I do know from watching yung nanood din ako kay Atosis, no, and I think meron siyang game kanina na napanood ko. I think kanina yan. So sabi niya na mahirap daw mag-bio dito, and reason is yung Mutalisk, no, the way they can harass sa natural, parang may mga areas na talagang hirap ma-defend. Yun lang yung ano ko. So, yun lang yung masashare ko sa inyo right now. So let's see kung anong baon na strategies ang meron si Bayagster and Extinct on this map specifically. Now, this Overlord of Extinct will be scouting in the wrong direction. And kaya ako nasabi wrong direction, not because wrong yung scouting, pero kasi wala din yung base ni Bayagster. Okay. I just realized, no? Pull first. Nag-pull muna si Extinct for hatchery. Uh-oh, sir. It's not looking good. Mukhang gusto tapusin agad ni Extinct yung laban na to. Yee-hee! 6 Zerglings marching towards the base of Bayagster. Could this be a very, very fast third game? Walang idea si Bayagster. And yun na, bunch of slings. Okay, now SCV sa main pod. May isang marine pa natitira to fight. And both marines just fall. Pero yan, SCV is doing a good job. Okay, so boys si Bayagster, so good job, good control ng mga SCV. And the kill niya, ang 5 of those things, 2 marines fell, pero buhay pa rin si Bayagster. So this one, SCV Scout is going to confirm kung anong pinag-agawa ni Extinct sa buhay niya dito. And yeah, so those SCVs still nandito pa rin while building that command center inside. These SCVs will just block para manigurado. Baka may gawing kalokohan si Extinct. Yeah, ayos. Excellent control. Kita nyo, di ba? The higher level players. Kung ako for sure, dead na ako doon. Ganun ginawa sa akin. Pero yan nga, knowing the skill na meron yung mga players natin, like the skill of the likes of Bayagster, na defend na yan. Really, really well. So, second barracks being added. And Lair being upgraded as of now. And sabi nga ni King Deo kanina, what a game. Yes, indeed, what a game. Lalo yung previous game. By the way, shout out to 14 viewers watching this right now. Appreciate all of you guys, even though yung iba nahiya pa mag-chat. Okay lang. Importante na dito kayo enjoying these games with us, with our Filipino community. And if you're not Pinoy and you're watching, thank you for supporting. Okay, so itong scouting SCV ni Bayagster is just trying to make it survive as much as he can para makita niya kung anong gagawin Extinct, but most of the time Extinct goes for Spire, but who knows kasi this is a tournament after all, and Bayagster sees that Spire confirm ng SCV. Is Extinct going to cancel or tutuloy niya? Okay, mukhang kakomit siya talaga sa Spire, it's not just a bluff. So medyo bunch of Marines, marami, so they can easily hold these Zerglings. I think Bayagster is just wanting to force some Zerglings from Extinct with this move out. Wala lang medic, so yeah, kailangan maingat talaga si Bayagster dito. And now Extinct going for counter-attack with the fuelings, pero mayroon ng few Marines na hintay si Bayagster dito. One Zergling falls, and ayan, SCVs are forced to go to combat once again. Okay, may isang Marine. Naku po, what happened here? Yung mga gustong pasukin sana ng Bayagster, kaso naubos yung Marine. I think na-distract siya while this is happening. Sayang hindi natin nakita, no, hindi ko na-view dito. Maybe silipin natin sa replay, no? Konti. Remind nyo ako, Ooh. Yeah, anyway, okay. So Extinct is just trying to attack again, see if he could do some damage while he's getting those Mutalisks up. Ito na nga, ready na Spire. Yan na, turrets have been made, and kinancel ni Bayagster ang turret dito because he knows he's going to build a comset there later on. Ito yun, diba? Hirap nga daw magpwesto ng turret dito eh, sabi ni Artosis. And yan na, may Mutalisk na, 3 piraso just out there. Bayagster has some turrets ready, so he is kinda safe, pero of course syempre kailangan ng Marines. Turrets alone cannot defend against Mutas. And wow, okay, those Mutas just catching fire from those turrets. Yeah, and now, okay, Extinct is going to try to take this third base over here to the lower right. Meanwhile, more Mutalisks are being morphed and sent towards near the base of Bayagster. Okay, for racks, there's already the academy, and wala pa ring factory. Pero I mean, I could understand na wala pa ring factory kasi nga with all that happened sa early game, yung slight cheese that happened there, no? So both sides talagang nade-delay. Okay, more Mutalisks are being morphed. Okay, nag-scan. I guess hinahanap niya saan yung potential other base ni Extinct. But maybe he has an idea na dito siguro na tinago. Even though he didn't scan it, maybe he has a hunch already. Now Extinct is going to dive with 7 Mutalisk, enough to one-shot an SCV. Okay, 9 Mutalisk actually. Isa pala medic ni Bayagster. Okay, 2 Mutalisks fall, so yeah, good defense by Bayagster so far. Ups. Okay, mayroon ng Queen's Nest. So nagre-rebuild pa rin ng Mutalisk si Extinct while upgrading his lair to Hive. And naka +1 flyer attack na rin pala si Extinct. So look at that. And Bayagster has his own +1 as well, okay? Third base is up. Kailangan lang mas-saturate ng drones. Okay, now there's the move out by Bayagster. Kaso medyo scattered units, kailangan niya medyo pagkumbol-kumbulin para hindi basta mapitas ng mga Mutalisk. And there you go, that's a lot. Okay, one Mutalisk falls, meron mga pulahan na Mutalisk here. Bayagster is going to go for the third base. Up, naku po. Napitas ang ilang Mutalisk ni Extinct right there. I think 3 already fell. Kaso may mga Zerglings to reinforce. Extinct will try to do a bit of sandwich combining Zerglings and Mutalisk to kill this MM. And yan na nga, dito yung mga M&M ni Bayagster targeting the Sunkens. Now Extinct will try to defend, so na-reduce na yung army ni Bayagster there. So 5 na lang pirasong Mutalisk. Okay. Yeah, so Extinct holds this base. So muntik na mabust to. Sakto yung pag-build ng Zergling ni Extinct to actually help with the defense. But there's still another group. This time papunta sa natural, but walang medic. So mag-split army si Bayagster. Small group going to the low right, and then one bigger group here sa natural. And it looks like mahuhuli niya ang ibang Mutalisk dito. One Mutalisk falls, Overlord falls. Oh, 2 Mutalisks. And now Bayagster will try to target just Marines, no medic. Focus fire lang. Okay, that entire Marine group just fell. Yeah, kung may medic siguro maybe iba yung nangyari, but I'm not sure why walang medic si Bayagster doon. So meron ng Ultralisk cover si Extinct. He's just getting those upgrades now, and of course kailangan niya ng gas, additional gas from this third base here. So Bayagster is just attempting to continuously harass. And nakita niya scan, isa pala yung sunken, I guess Bayagster would go for this. That's just 6 Mutalisks. And Bayagster is now going for it. It must be used. Going forward, going to target Mutalisk. 2 Mutalisks fall, 3. Dalawa na lang Mutalisk, kaso the sunkens are up. So again, mo-hold ito ni Extinct. Grabe na, like, yung mga few microseconds siguro na may hindi sila na ginawa ng specific action. Siguro si Extinct, no, like, lalo si Extinct, if hindi siya naka-react ng just on time, bust na agad yan eh. Pero sakto lang talaga yung timing niya eh. Sakto yung send ng Zerglings kanina, sakto yung seconds, sakto yung pag-push na lang, paggamit niya ng Mutalisk and all, and now there's a dropship. 2 dropships going to be sent. Okay, maybe sa natural na Extinct. Maybe gonna drop here. Okay, scan's been used. Scan niya yung Overlord, perhaps, para makita kung clear ang path. And yan na. Okay, currently based ni Extinct, walang defense. No Mutalisk, just sunkens. And now Bayagster is going for the drop. Kaso sasalubungin siya ng mga Ultralisk here. And nag-drop siya behind the mirror lines. So medyo tricky for Ultralisk to chase down. And yun na, may 3 armor na yung Ultralisk as of now. Ngayon, target fire nila ito yung Bayagster. Naka 1-1 upgrade si Bayagster. 1 Ultralisk falls. Ako po, this is going to be heavy damage sa base ni Extinct. Now Bayagster is going to try to target the spawning pool and the spire. Hindi lang tumitira yung ibang Marines. This one Mutalisk just falls. Ako po, look at that, no? Yung pag-choke, nakaharang yung medic sa gilid. Para mahirapan yung Ultralisk just to attack, kailangan i-target fire ni Extinct. And that medic falls. Isang medic na lang here to support the entire Marine Army. Now, na-upgrade na yung speed ng mga Ultra. I guess hindi mapapatay yung Spire. Yeah, I guess delayed by time ang nangyari. Meanwhile, that was just a decoy. Look at that. This is actually the move na pinaplan ni Bayagster. While that is happening sa main base, though, this big force is going to kill this third base, which is, I believe, more important to kill right now. Kasi nandito lahat ng source ng extra gas na kakailangan ng Extinct to fuel those Ultralisk. And now, Marines are going in. Marine Medic going to kill those sunkens. No po, delikado si Extinct. This base will fall. Meanwhile, look at that. Yung Marines dito still going to be annoying. And GG. Wow. Grabe, no? I thought for sure lamang sa Extinct lang sa early pero look at that, no? Amazing turn of things. So that's 2-1 in favor of Bayagster. So congrats to Bayagster and GG, well played to Extinct. And tingnan natin yung sa Marines kanina, di ba? Yung nag-counter si Bayagster with Marines. Saan ba yan? Ano nangyari? Okay, ito. Observe natin kung ano nangyari dito kasi di ba nag-counter dito si Extinct. I just wanna know what happened here. Ito ba yung moment na yun? Yeah, ito yun. Okay. Akala ko trinay lang niya mag-run by tapos binlock lang ng road. Okay. Yeah, so cool game. So congrats to Bayagster and GG, well played to Extinct. So thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for tuning in everyone, and see you on the next live stream or see you sa YouTube natin, SCPH Happy Penguin. So yeah, rock and roll and have a great evening.